Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom interval workout on GARMIN Forerunner 70. Okay, first, click the top right button to run the activities menu. Now select activities and choose anything that you want, for example, run. Now, you gotta keep scrolling down until you find training. Click on that, then go to targets and intervals and structured repeats. Scroll down a little, click on more, edit workout, and in here you can select the interval, its duration and the type, also the rest, then repeat, and warm up, on or off. Now to start your interval session, press the upper right button, go back first, select do workout, and then press the upper right button to start the activity timer. As you can see, the warm-up now has appeared because we have simply selected it before. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.